Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to apply for American Express credit card in New Zealand full guide. So let's get started. So the first thing that you would want to do is go into google.com and search for American Express New Zealand and click on this link right here so that you would be able to go here. So from here, you would be able to see the four main cards available in New Zealand. So the first one is you have the Gold Rewards, the Air Points Platinum card, the Air Points card, and the Low Rate card right here. So each of them have their own eligibility, so make sure to check them out. So the general eligibility would be you must be at least 18 years old and you should have the right to work in New Zealand. And also you should have a good credit history. This one is optional, but it is essential. And then each card has specific income requirements, so make sure that you reach that requirement, and we will be covering that as we discuss the cards. And then the next thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna explore these cards right here. The first one is the Gold Rewards card, so we're just gonna do this real quick. And from here, when you click on the card, you will be able to see its features, its information on the annual fees, card type, interest fee period, interest rate, and so on. And you would also be able to see the benefits and so on right here, the gold rate, and also you would be able to see the eligibility criteria for this card specifically. So these are your requirements here. So you should have the NZ or New Zealand driver's license number, details of your income, expenses, debts, proof of your annual income, and so on right here. And you can click on the apply now button to apply for this card. And you also have the welcome offer. And you can basically read all of that details about this card right here on their website. Same goes for the Air Points Platinum card. You can also basically do the same thing. You can see its information right here, the eligibility criteria, and so on. Same goes for the Air Points card. So you can just feel free in exploring these cards before you choose. So as you can see, this has a $0 annual fee, the Air Points one. So these are its features: zero card fee, earn Air Points dollars, and so on right here. So you can just choose the card that you want. And lastly is the low rate card. And this is basically the low rates backed by fraud protection. So this is the card that you want if you would want that protection. And you can also see the eligibility criteria. So this is basically the same thing with the other cards. So they all have the same requirements and documents that is needed. So let's say that we would want to apply for the Air Points card, just for an example. So it's basically the same process, so it doesn't really matter which one we choose. And from here, you want to click on the apply now button right here. So click on that. And then from here, as you can see the account fee. The account fee for additional card members right here, and the purchase interest rate, you can see it right here. And the information that we will need from you. So this is the information that you would need to give American Express right here, and so on. So you need a copy of your government issued identification, personal information, email address, mobile number, and so on. So you can just scan through it right here and make sure that you have all of this information. So you would need to check this out in case that it would be different from each card, and click on yes, I understand once you're done right there. And from here, you would need to provide your country code, mobile number, email address, and so on right here. So here in country code, I would need a New Zealand number right here, which means I cannot proceed. But those are basically the details that you would need to proceed. You don't need any special guide regarding that because these are just personal details. So now once you have submitted your application, is that American Express will now process your application, and you may receive a call or email for further verification if needed. So yeah, that is basically it on the process. All you have to do is just basically click on the apply now button, provide your personal information, and just wait if you have been approved for the card. And yeah, you can just feel free to explore the cards and which one you should choose and so on. So applying for an American Express credit card in New Zealand is straightforward and can be done online. Each card offers unique benefits tailored to different needs, from earning air points to enjoying luxury travel perks. Make sure to choose the card that best suits your lifestyle and spending habits. So that is basically it on how you can apply for American Express credit card. It is very easy, so I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.